I'm Kylie Genesio with the Illinois Extension, and today I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast parfait.
For this recipe, you will need 2 cups canned fruit in juice, diced or crushed, or fresh fruit such as blueberries. Drain liquid from canned fruit. If fresh, gently rub fruit under cool running water. You will need 2 bananas, peeled and sliced into discs, 1 cup strawberries, sliced, 1 1/2 cup low-fat plain or vanilla yogurt, a 1/2 cup of granola. In glasses or small bowls, layer canned fruit, sliced bananas, and berries. Spread yogurt over layered fruit. Sprinkle granola over the top.
And here's the finished product, a quick and easy way to get your day started.
Eat, Move, Save.